Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Bloxstrap. Bloxstrap provides a lightweight, feature-rich client for Roblox, offering enhanced performance and extensive customization options. It integrates seamlessly, helping to improve your overall gaming experience significantly. This powerful tool replaces the standard Roblox launcher, giving you more control over your gameplay environment and visual settings, leading to a much better experience. Begin by visiting the official Bloxstrap GitHub page to download the latest installer. Once downloaded, right-click the file and select Run as Administrator to ensure all necessary permissions are granted. The installation wizard will guide you through choosing an installation path. A default location is usually sufficient. This straightforward process typically takes less than 1 minute to complete, setting up your new client efficiently. After installation, open Bloxstrap Settings menu to personalize your experience. You can switch between light and dark themes and decide whether Bloxstrap launches with Windows. Crucially, unlock your frame rate to 60, 120, or even higher for smoother gameplay. Adjust graphic quality and audio output to match your system's capabilities and your personal preferences for an optimized session. For advanced users, Bloxstrap offers powerful customization through custom fast flags, allowing fine-tuning of Roblox's internal settings for specific games or hardware. Experiment with different font styles and user interface themes to give your client a completely unique appearance. You can also adjust network settings to prioritize connection stability or speed, potentially reducing latency during crucial gameplay moments. This level of control enhances your immersion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.